Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to check internet speed on Android device. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. To check your internet speed, you can open any browser on your mobile device, as I'm going with a Google Chrome. Here at the search bar, you type in for a fast.com. Tap and go. With that, you will be directed to the page where they will automatically record the speed of your internet. You can see my internet speed is 41 Mbps. Now, this is the easy way to check internet speed, and there is also the another way to check the speed, that is go to the search bar and you type in for a speedtest.net and tap and search. And with that, you will be directed to the page where you will be able to check your internet speed. You tap and go. Now here you can see the internet speed of mine. This is how you can check internet speed on your Android device. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to check internet speed of yours. Thank you.